Hello everyone! My name is Dennis and you're on the Retouch For Me channel. Today we are going to talk about portrait retouching using various Retouch For Me plugins. If you're just starting your creative journey, it's normal to handle the entire shooting process on your own. However, over time you'll realize that to grow further, you need a team. Retouching is something you should delegate as soon as possible to free up time for shooting and organization. We suggest delegating this task to AI.
To install the Photoshop panel, go to the Retouch For Me website through the link in the video description. In the top menu, open the Products tab and select Photoshop panel. On the page that opens, click the Try for Free button. Next to Photoshop panel, click the Free button and register on the site. Then click the Download button. After that, select Get Adobe Exchange and install the panel. Launch Photoshop, find the Plugins section in the top menu and select Retouch For Me panel. Click the Login button in the panel and confirm the action in your browser. Done. You now have access to 20 free retouching actions. What does 20 free retouches mean? One retouch equals one photo processing using the panel. For example, as soon as you activate any plugin with the button on the right, you will spend one free processing. Or there's a more advantageous way. You can activate several plugins at once using the switches on the left, and after pressing the Retouch button, you will spend only one free processing. Further in this video, we will demonstrate each plugin one by one, but you can do it in batches to save free retouches.
So, you've selected the shot you like the most. Just like a feather starts with the cloakroom, retouching begins with the skin cleaner. Let's figure out how to do this using our tools. The first step is skin cleaning, and for this we'll use the Heal plugin. It does an excellent job of removing small imperfections like pimples and blemishes. Look how smooth and natural the skin becomes after applying the Heal plugin. All the pores remain intact and the skin texture is preserved. If you notice that the plugin has removed a couple of moles along with the blemishes, add the mask to the Heal layer and selectively restore the missing moles. We won't touch liquefied tools because our goal is natural retouching. If your model's skin is shiny, we'll fix this using the Mattifier plugin. It removes unwanted shine and makes the skin matte. Next, let's smooth out the skin unevenness using the Dodge and Burn plugin.
This tool helps smooth the transitions
of light and shadow, making the skin more even and smooth. To add volume and depth to the portrait, we'll use the Portrait Volumes plugin. It helps make the face look more three-dimensional and lively. For the final step, let's enhance the eyes. We'll use two plugins: Eyebrow Rinse to enhance the eye sparkle and Eye Vessels to clean out the blood vessels. Notice how the eyes become brighter and cleaner, making the gaze more expressive. That's it! Our portrait is ready. Look at how the image has transformed after retouching. These simple steps will help you achieve high-quality retouching quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video,
and leave a comment
about what other retouching topics interest you. See you next time.